Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Rockwood number RM1200-5-630. This is a straight post mount, drawer pull or door pull, used in architectural woodworking applications, residential applications, anywhere where you're looking for a very handsome, robust, heavy-duty, high-quality pull. This would certainly meet all of those requirements. This is going to be a -5, which means that it should be 6 7/8 overall length, if I'm guessing. Yeah, okay, 6 7/8, because the -5 is the center to center, and I find on these small mount posts that they are 1 7/8 greater in the OAL overall length compared to the CTC center to center. Okay, a couple of other dimensions. The clearance, as you can see, is about 7/8. It's got a projection of about 1 5/16. This is going to have a pull diameter of 1/2 inch. The post diameter is 3/8. This is the 630. That means it's made of stainless steel, solid stainless, and that it has a brushed finish on it, a satin brushed finish. Again, for cabinets, caseworks, and things of that nature. Let's tackle the information in the extended description down below. This is a straight, meaning it's straight, it's not offset. Straight posts for cabinets, casework, closet door pulls. And I've seen these installed in applications where residential, high-end residential, where they want cabinet hardware that simply stands apart from the garden variety levels of cabinet hardware. Applications that require substantial hardware just because of the volume of use that would be placed on it. I'll see pulls like this in commercial restaurant applications where they've got doors that have institutional caliber hinges, and those doors are opened constantly, accessing supplies and whatnot. This is also a square end. You can do a radius or a round end as well. Again, 1/2 inch diameter, 5 inch centers, and on that center they can really do any center that you want. I've sold these as long as 30 inch, I think, in the past. And it's just a piece of stainless bar, and they'll get those posts installed wherever is necessary. So the RM1200 is the series of pull. The -5 are the center, so be mindful. If you change the 5, you'll get a different size. And being Rockwood, they'll entertain a quote for any size. You want these in 48 inch long? I don't know that I would necessarily recommend it without a mid post, but they'll certainly quote it. They'll certainly manufacture it. There is information there that talks about the relationship between the CTC and the OAL, okay? And that relationship, as defined, is the standard relationship. You can change that if you want. If you wanted these to come off 3 inch, Rockwood would really have no problem with where they position that. Indicate that in the comment field if you like, and they'll be happy to oblige. Again, the base material is stainless steel in a satin finish. Fasteners are a Fasteners are a 832 thread, and they are 1 inch long, and that would be typical for 3/4 inch drawer or cabinet fronts. If you have need for an unusual thickness, indicate that in the comment field as well, or the area called indicate door thickness. They can certainly supply 832 screws in different lengths. Let's see, what else is there? There is a mounting drawing link that's here. Mounting drawings will show you that type 1 mount, and which is just a through bolt type of mount. These can be done as back-to-back as well, where you've got a set of pulls on both sides of the door, and in that case you would order the RM1210, and that link is down below this video. And again, custom sizes can be absolutely accommodated. There is a link below this video to a document called Printable Cut Sheet that is a tear sheet out of the manufacturer's catalog. There's also a product brochure, same sort of concept, just a better overview of the series. RM1200. You want this in a round end? Go to an RM1240. Not very common. Less common than the round end here would be the offset version of these, but you do need to think about offset versions in case you have an application where you need to have access to a cylinder. So you could have a storage door in that same sort of heavy use restaurant application, but you've got only a small amount of area onto which to place the pull. You might have some inlay work, or you might have a piece of glass or some sort of transparent insert in the panel, but you've got a cam lock and your style's only 1 inch wide or 1.5 inches wide. Well, you're going to need to move that over so that your hand can take the key and stick it into the cylinder and turn. You may not have enough room, so I would certainly advise that you consider the offset version so that you can take this axis and kick it off this way so that you've got some room left to be able to, get to the cylinder with the key. And while it's unusual in cabinet or casework applications, any stroll through the mall that you take, you're going to see all these ladder pulls, and you'll see some that are straight and you'll see others that are offset. And as you study those, you'll say to yourself, yes, offset is a better option because it kicks that pull handle away from where I need to get my hand with the key. They can also do the grip zone version of this stuff, which is going to be like, I wouldn't say a knurled aspect, but it will give a texture to the pull handle area. And those are also common. The RM1300s, we certainly sell those. Finally, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Rockwood products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Rockwood, their part number RM1200-5-630, or any other Rockwood product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.